Okay, I'm trying to be careful because baka lagyan ng ibig sabihin yung mga sasabihin ko. I don't want to overthink.
It's okay.
Tatay and I are just happy that you're back. You know that I've been quiet for the past how many years? Hindi ko alam kung bakit sinasabi nilang nangingialam ako. But I don't care because I am your mother. Kung nakialam ako, hindi mangyayari to. So it only means hindi ako nakialam. So that's why I'm just thankful because that you're back. Yun lang yun. Baka kasi malagyan na naman ng ibig sabihin. And I want you to know, the two of you, that I will do everything and anything para sa inyong dalawa. Hindi ko lang kayang pumatay.
Huwag naman gano'n.
But I will really defend you sa abot ng sa abot ng makakaya ko.
Mami, happy birthday.
Kasi bira lang naman na, yun lang. I love you guys. I love you so much. And tandaan nyo lang na dito kami ni tatay para sa inyo.